This is what we do. This is how we deposit money from Binance to Tesco. Okay, you come in spot, you transfer the money to funding, the amount you want to deposit. Okay, after transferring the money from spot, you go back, come to funding. To come into funding, you click on withdraw. After withdrawing, you click on USDT, then you send via crypto. You go to Tesco, you copy the address, you come and paste it here, wallet address. I can't share my wallet address. Okay, after that, you go to network, TRC20, you confirm. After confirming, you put the amount you want to transfer from Binance to Tesco, and then after that you click on, you just see whether it's on funding wallet. From there you click on withdraw. Because I don't have money in Binance now, I can't click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, it will just tell you to confirm. Then you confirm. After like 5 minutes, you go to Tesco, go and see whether the money has reflected. That's all.